Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on MEXC exchange. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on MEXC, first of all, you want to go ahead and click buy crypto right there at the top left corner. You will see options like debit, credit card, global bank transfer, quick buy and sell, P2P trading, and a MEXC MasterCard. So choose the best which fits you the best. Today, let's go ahead and choose debit credit card. So the bank transfer will take from 0 to 2 working days, but with debit or credit card, you will get your money instantly. So on debit credit card, you're gonna enter the amount. As you can see, you can only choose USD, euros, or British pounds. And after that, you will receive USDT or USDC. Choose the one which fits you the best. And after that, you're gonna add your bank card. Enter all of those details and click Buy Now option. Also, guys, you need to complete your KYC in order to transfer and deposit funds. Now, once you will have USDT, you want to, of course, buy some cryptocurrency. So you want to go to your spot, click on spot right there. From here, you're going to choose you're going to search basically for your currency, which you want to go ahead and buy. So for example, let's go ahead and buy Solana. Now, once you have chosen it, you're going to go ahead here, enter the amount and click buy Solana. And that's pretty much it. Your Solana will be on your assets on your profile. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.